If you change anything on your website or create a new landing page, you need to double check mobile. There have been times where I've quickly gone in to edit something and tweak it, and then later on down the road, I realized that the mobile version looks a little funky, which isn't the end of the world, but it's definitely not ideal. I just recorded a video on how to create a landing page in Squarespace, so now let's go back and see what the mobile looks like. Here is our landing page. It can definitely use a lot more spicing up, but that's okay. I created it to show how to create a landing page and the different items that you can do with a landing page. So now let's go see what the mobile looks like. If you don't know where the mobile button is, you can find that right up here. So let's give it a peek. Everything is definitely tight in here. Spacing is one of the #1 things to do when you go in and check your mobile, because everything will be squished and you want room for your content to breathe, right? We don't like the way this looks. It's kind of funky, it's tight, it doesn't look professional. So let's go in and edit it. So what I'm going to do with this top part is lengthen it down here so that her head isn't so cut off. You could also go back to desktop and change the focal point of this image so that her hat's not cut off there. It's all dependent on what feel you want for your landing page. Sometimes you might want a smaller image here, sometimes you might want it larger. Then we're going to come down, and this really needs spacing. Again, you want room for your items to breathe. A lot of mobile editing is going to be a lot of click and dragging. This doesn't look like it's going all the way to the edges, so I'm going to tweak that so it looks like it's coming on and off the page. And again, this section, we're definitely going to want more spacing here. So I'm going to drag it way down. You'll just want to go through, move everything down. You can even make this image larger. So in order to do that, I'm going to need to move these items down even more. Okay, now I can make this image larger. Maybe I want this text a little more centered. I feel like that looks nicer on this mobile version. And make sure these have room to breathe. So a lot of this is going to just be time consuming, but it's simple stuff of just a lot of spacing for everything. This block looks like it's, going way down here, so we're going to shorten this. Maybe even make it go all the way to the edges like we have on our landing page. And then I do like this right up against the golds there. So now we'll move all of this down like that, and then we're going to tweak our last section. So again, spacing things out, moving items down. This image I might want larger. There we go. We have this nice, spacious, mobile customized landing page. As you can see, there's a lot more breathing room. It looks a lot more professional. Again, the landing page itself can definitely use a lot more tweaking or customization, but here is an example of a very basic landing page that you can create on Squarespace and edit it in mobile. Be sure to check out my other Squarespace tutorials. I'm going to be uploading a lot soon, and by the time you're watching this video, they're probably already there. I'm also going to have some fun reaction videos for my fellow content creators, so be sure to check that out. Hang out with me on Instagram.